Congratulations on purchasing your new Cavera ceiling fan by Hunter. We'll walk you through the steps to get yours installed, but first, you'll need a few things. If you are unfamiliar with wiring or uncomfortable doing it yourself, please contact a qualified electrician. This video is being provided to supplement what is included in your Cavera owner's manual. Please consult it at any point during this video. Now, if you feel comfortable moving forward, please do the following. First, disconnect the power by turning off the circuit breakers to the outlet box that's connected with the wall switch location. Install the ceiling bracket. There are two options to securing the bracket to the ceiling. Use the machine screws provided with your existing ceiling fan rated box. You can also use the washers and wood screws included with your fan to secure a bracket to a structure with an approved electrical box. You will need to drill 9/64" pilot holes in the support structure to secure the bracket and wood screws. Next, you will need to remove the pre-installed set screw in the downrod adapter. Don't lose this, as you will need it momentarily. Feed the wires from the housing through the downrod. Hand tighten the downrod at least 4 to 5 turns until it can't be tightened anymore. Cut the wires leaving at least 8 inches extended from the downrod. The manual can be used to measure the proper length to cut and strip the wires. Strip the wires 3/8 of an inch or just under a centimeter. Replace the set screw in the downrod adapter and tighten it down with pliers. Do not hand tighten the set screw. Put the wires and the downrod through the canopy and let it sit loosely on top of the fan. Do not pick up the fan by the canopy or the wires. Place the downrod ball into a slot in the ceiling bracket. Connect the white grounded wire from the ceiling to the white wire from the fan. Tighten them with a wire nut. Connect the 3 grounding wires from the ceiling, downrod, and hanging bracket. Use a wire nut to tighten. If you have a single switch, connect the black, ungrounded wire from the ceiling to the black wire with the wire nut, and cap the blue wire from the fan with a wire nut. If you have a dual switch, connect the black, ungrounded wire from the ceiling to the black wire from the fan with the wire nut, and connect the remaining ungrounded wire from the ceiling to the blue wire from the fan with the wire nut. Make sure each connection is secure and push the wire connections up into the outlet box. Lift the canopy into place so that the screw holes from the canopy and the hanging bracket are aligned. Insert the 2 canopy screws found in the circle hardware bag. Put the blade washers found in the square hardware bag onto the blade screws found in the triangle hardware bag. Then install the blade screws to secure each blade to the blade iron. Repeat for all 5 blades. Lightly attach the blade arms to the motor with the screws found in the hourglass bag. Securely tighten after both screws are attached. Repeat for all 5 blades. Partially install 2 screws found in the bag with 3 lines on it halfway onto the mounting plate. It doesn't matter which 2 screw holes you choose. Feed the wire plug through the center hole of the upper switch housing. Then insert the 2 screws through the 2 keyhole slots and rotate counterclockwise. Insert the 3rd screw into place and tighten all 3 screws. Partially install 2 of the housing screws found in the bag with 3 stripes. It does not matter which of the 2 screw holes you choose. Connect the plugs from the upper and lower switch housing. Make sure all the wires from the fan and the light kit are snug inside the center of the light kit. Turn the light kit counterclockwise until the light kit screws are firmly situated in the narrow end of the keyhole slots. Install the 3rd light kit screw and tighten all screws securely. Install the included bulbs into each of the sockets. Lift the globe and align the notches in the globe with the tabs in the light kit. Attach it by turning the globe clockwise until it stops. Congratulations, you have just installed your brand new Cavera fan. Make sure to turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Your included remote control is already paired for use. For more instructions, refer to the remote guide included with your remote. You can also download the Simple Connect app on your smartphone for even further control of your fan.